We are removing the headlights without removing the front bumper. It's tough for me to remove this because all fiberglass, it's all connected when it was installed. So another option is to remove this support bracket right here. You're gonna have 4 bolts right here, 10 millimeter. I'm gonna remove these two, so this bracket is loose, and you're gonna use 8 millimeter for the headlight bolts right here. This one's pretty long, so you can see it goes all the way down. And once you remove those two, there's one more underneath here. It's kind of right here. I'm gonna turn the wheel to the other side and then get to that. Once we remove that bolt right there and all this is off and loose, we're gonna move this bracket out of the way so I can push the headlight out and then slide out, because otherwise the bumper needs to be dropped down just enough so this headlight comes out. But in my case that's not an option, so that bracket gotta come loose, and then I'm gonna pull headlight that way and out. Again, you're gonna have to remove the bottom protector plastic. Just take it out so you have access to this bolt back here. You can move this out of the way or put your hand underneath, you'll feel it to get to that bolt. Not enough room, so have patience. It does have a right in front of it, it's a pull it out first. Basically a gap or a spacer. It's coming out. It is. We'll save this. So on the original bumper, there was a bracket. So when this sits in, the bracket that connects the fender and the bumper hooks on here. So it kind of clicks on. And this is all custom fender and the bumper, so that bracket was eliminated when the original bumper was taken off. Okay, so now that we have everything loose, we're going to disconnect the light. Light is loose in there, but it can come out because it's going to hit the bumper. In this case, gonna move all the stuff out of the way. Just take your time. HID. Okay, so these are the new headlights, black racing, LED signal light, LED strip around it, and regular bulbs for high beam, slow beam. I will replace it with something right. So that's basically how they're gonna be. It's all plug in and play. I'm not gonna modify anything to this. It's in there. Just tuck everything and secure. This whole headlight is pre-wired for you. You have a harness that plugs into the original harness. All the LED signal lights, everything is pre-wired. And I took those out, replaced it with HIDs. Okay. So everything should go back in. There we go. I'm gonna move this bracket back, readjust, and then start tightening these bolts. I'll just put them in place. I'm not going to tighten anything until I'm satisfied, and I'll go one by one. And now the hard part, it's this one. It goes back here. For this one, you just have to feel it. Once it's in place, don't worry about tightening it. Just gotta feel it.